Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is video 7 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at colors. Great work on making it this far. You are progressing quickly. Let's start with today's lesson. Color.
Couleur.
Red,
Rouge.
blue,
Bleu.
green,
Vert.
yellow,
Jaune.
orange,
Orange.
purple,
Violet.
pink,
Rose.
brown,
Marron.
black,
Noir.
white,
Blanc.
gray,
Gris.
beige.
Beige.
That is the first set. Feel free to rewind and revise as required. Let's move on to the next set. Maroon,
Bordeaux.
navy blue,
Bleu marine.
turquoise,
Turquoise.
silver,
Argent.
gold,
Or.
light blue,
Bleu clair.
dark blue,
Bleu foncé.
light green,
Vert clair.
dark green,
Vert foncé.
light yellow,
Jaune clair.
dark yellow,
Jaune foncé.
light brown,
Marron clair.
dark brown,
Marron foncé.
That concludes this video. Congratulations on completing this lesson. We will meet again in the next video.